In this video, I am going to share with you what are the 10 best cichlid fish for your community aquarium. Before video start, I am requesting you, if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon for more future videos. Now guys, let's begin video. First cichlid fish is rainbow cichlid. The rainbow cichlid is a peaceful cichlid and well suited to being kept in community tank. They can be kept in tropical tank with catfish, certain live bearers, tetras, giant danios, rainbows and plecos. In a community cichlid tank of larger semi-aggressive cichlid, it can be kept with other similarly sized South American cichlid of like temperament. They can readily be kept singly or in pair, being relatively peaceful. If the tank is large enough, they may even be housed with another pair. Keep in this mind, however, that like all cichlid, these fish do become territorial and aggressive during spawning, and the tank should be monitored during that time. Second fish is blue acara cichlid. Named for the blue coloration they develop in adulthood. Blue acaras are unaggressive, but they do tend to dig. These fish prefer sandy substrate and warmer water between 75 Fahrenheit to 80 Fahrenheit. They accept wide varieties of foods and are considered a great option of cichlid novices because they are very hardy fish. Third aquarium fish is Severum cichlid. Some of largest cichlid on this list. Severum grow 8 to 10 inches long. These fish don't typically attack on other fish and they can be kept with wide range of species from small tetra to predator cichlid like Oscar. They may eat very small fish because they are omnivorous, but they should do fine in a community tank with medium-sized species. Fourth aquarium fish is Epistogramma agassizi. The agassizi dwarf cichlid is a small colorful fish. The males are larger, growing 3.5 inches in length, while female only reach about 2.5 inches. The Epistogramma agassizi is a perfect community fish. They can be kept with other fish that are not large and aggressive. They are tolerant of their own kind and can be kept in group of one male with 3 or 4 females. More than one male may be kept if aquarium is large. Fifth aquarium fish is Bolivian ram. Known for their golden brown color, Bolivian ram have multicolor highlights that make them quite attractive. These fish are very non-aggressive and compatible with most of peaceful species. Plus, they only reach 3 inches long. Bolivian ram are South American cichlid, perfect for community aquarium and for beginners. With striking colors and great personality, these fish will fit right in your aquarium. Sixth aquarium fish is discus fish. Discus fish is the most beautiful tropical fish in the world. Discus fish grow quite large. These fish may eat very small species, but they are non-aggressive and do very well in community tank with other calm species. Just keep in mind that these fish require very warm and high acidity water. Seventh aquarium fish is keyhole cichlid. A very peaceful species, the keyhole cichlid grow only 4 to 5 inches in length. These fish are very shy and need to have plenty of hiding place in the tank. They are very non-aggressive with other tank mates and will always back down from a fight. Eighth aquarium fish is Mas Julie cichlid. The Mas Julie cichlid is a small species endemic to Lake Tanganyika that grow to a maximum length around 2.8 inches long. These fish have an attractive patterns and they tend to prefer tank decorated with plenty of rock work. Ninth aquarium fish is angelfish. While angelfish are generally peaceful fish, they are cichlid and can be aggressive toward one another, especially when attempting to pair up and spawn. Also, they will not hesitate to eat smaller fish. This does not mean they are aggressive, as many aquarists believe. Like most of fish, they are opportunistic and will eat anything that fits in their mouth. So if you're thinking to make community tank, so avoid smaller size fish. Otherwise, angelfish is very best option for community tank. From this video, this is a 10 and last aquarium fish. The fish name is German blue ram. You will be happy to know that the German blue ram is quite peaceful fish. This South American cichlid is among one of the best cichlid for community tank. When setting up the tank, consider that this fish does not have a proper tank region and will spend most of its time swimming around the tank. However, they love crevices and hiding spaces, so plants and rock are merged in the tank setup. So guys, these are 10 best options of cichlid fish for community aquarium. I hope you like and enjoy this video. Now it's time to come end this video. So guys, take care everyone and bye.